Hello everyone out there, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. I'm excited tonight to bring you some information on these instant PayPal payments that I'm receiving using a marketing tool that is going to help people tremendously to build their business. If you are having a problem getting targeted traffic, you need a system that's newbie friendly, I have something that's for you, and it's going to help you to dramatically increase the amount of signups that you get into your business. And I'm going to show you proof today. I've tested out this program for a little bit of time now, and I just became an affiliate for the program, and I'm just excited about it because it is adding an additional income for me and my family. Not only that, it's an autopilot system and it's free to use. So I wanted to share this information with everyone that's out there and let everybody know what I'm getting into. I'm not going to spill the beans, but I am going to leave a link in the description for you to take a look after I show you this proof from my PayPal that I received, just promoting this opportunity within the last 48 hours, okay? Within the last 48 hours, I just started putting out my link, and people are hooked because there's not a tool out there that's like this. And there's so many people that are struggling getting targeted traffic. People are struggling with getting the signups that they need into their business. They don't have enough time to promote their business, or they're doing it incorrectly. And this tool is definitely a game changer. So what I wanted to do was log into my account live so you guys could see what's going on. This is my PayPal account, and I just received a payment not even an hour ago, okay? And I'm just amazed by how many people are excited about this tool and that are going to start using this tool. They just can't believe how efficient the tool is. So Simple Social Tools, here I received these payments as of yesterday. It is 12:25 a.m., June 15th. So I received this payment yesterday, $23.50. All of these $23.50s came in from this product. And then on the 13th, which is the first day that I promoted this this marketing tool, I received $23.50 here again. I had about 9 payments that came in. So if you want to take a look at this opportunity, you want to see what it's all about, it will be in the description below. Feel free to reach out to me if you want more information about the tool. And I look forward to helping people build their business and get targeted traffic. So again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to get more results of what it is that I'm actually doing, and to kind of follow how I'm doing utilizing the system, and see how consistent it is with pretty much being able to put this on autopilot. So thanks again for watching my video. Everyone have a great night, and I'll see you again tomorrow.